You never get a second chance to make a first impression. Prepping your space is a great way to make the best first impression and get new customers to return even after Small Business Saturday is over with. If maintenance or cleaning needs to be done, take this as an opportunity to get that done before it gets too busy. You might also want to consider rearranging your store to accommodate more people and also help sell your most popular or most profitable items. So be sure to place your products and your services so that customers can find them quickly and be accessible to them. Plan strategically in advance and stock up on popular items. Look at your purchase history for your biggest shopping days to really understand what customers want and what they will come in for specifically. So this is why it's critical to really understand your product and service demands, especially during this holiday season. If you have the staff available, consider extending your hours on Small Business Saturday. This can certainly increase traffic by giving customers more time to come in. Think of those who will make it easy to stop by before or after they meet their previous obligations or complete their regular shopping experience. If you decide to extend your hours, make sure you get into the Green Stick Business app to publish those hours across all your digital assets. And you can also consider adding the product lineup online for those who can't really find the time to come in. Stick with me for more ways to make your Small Business Saturday a huge success. And don't forget to save this post, comment, like, and share, and I will see you soon.